Are you researching leads for your business and still manually copy and pasting this information into spreadsheets? That's not just very tedious, but prone to human errors, not scalable, and keeps you from focusing on high-value tasks that would actually help you grow your business. But what if I tell you there is a way to automate this research process by giving you an instant overview of your leads and a breakdown of their products or services? In this video, you'll see an AI automation designed to do exactly that. Streamline the research process, eliminate manual errors, and give you back hours of valuable time. Hi, I'm Sam Chang, founder of Abeta Automation. Our AI agency helps small to medium-sized businesses automate their repetitive tasks using AI, from smarter workflows to building chatbots and voice agents. If your business is overloaded with manual tasks and struggle to scale efficiently, we're here to help to save you time, reduce your workload, and grow faster with AI automations. In this video, I'll be showing you an AI-powered automation that scrapes a company's website instantly using the platform Make.com. If you're not familiar with Make.com, it's a powerful automation platform that allows you to connect apps and services to create custom workflows without writing a single line of code. I've built this automation to extract information from company websites and use it to summarize the company profile and the products or services they offer, then drop all the results straight into your Google Worksheet. So whether you're doing a competitor research, building a targeted lead list, or analyzing potential partners, this AI-powered workflow simplifies the entire process and delivers clear, consistent insights in a matter of seconds. So here's a very high-level overview of the entire workflow automation. So we first look into the company websites that you have in your Google Sheets. These are the companies that you want to research on. And then the next step, we're going to web scrape all those companies' websites through an HTTP request. And the output of that would be in HTML format, where we then have to transform that into the text format, which then feeds into the OpenAI platform, where it analyzes the information and then summarizes the company profile and the services or products. And then lastly, it would then convert that information into a readable format that updates the company profile and service or products in the same Google Worksheets. So before we start this automation, we want to create a Google Sheets where we're going to store all the companies that we want to analyze. So here, this is my Google Drive where I've created a file called web scraping. This is the file that we're going to store the companies that we want to analyze. So here, we're going to analyze, say, for example, Abeta Automation. Okay, and the company information and services and products will be the output from the automation. So next we're going to go back to Make.com. We want to build a connection between Make.com and the Google Sheets, which we just created here. So here we added a module called Watch New Rows. So what's going to happen is we're going to be connecting Make.com with this Google Sheets through this Google Docs connection, which we have to add in. And we want to make sure that it's in the same path in which we stored the web scraping file, and making sure that it's referring to the right sheet here. And then we press save. So once it's made that connection, it's going to look at the web scraping sheets we've just created and look for any new information that's added to the sheet in column A. So we just added in a Abeta automation here. So what's going to happen is it's going to feed into the HTTP requests module, where we're going to web scrape the website we just entered through the get method and return that information in the form of HTML. When it finishes web scraping Abeta automation, it's going to return that output as an HTML. However, we need to convert that into text in order to analyze that into the OpenAI platform. So that's why we need to enter in a module called Text Parser, where we're taking that data from the website and we're converting that into text. So it then feeds the text into the OpenAI platform. This module is making a connection to the OpenAI API. You do need an account though, but you can also use other AI models such as Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek. Down here, we're just choosing the different models that we want to use to analyze the text. Here, we're assigning a role to this automation, which is expert in web scraping and extracting the data and returning that output in JSON format. And then this AI model would then analyze that data and produce an output, which returns the company information and also the services and products. The output will return as a JSON format. However, we need to convert this JSON format into a readable format, which can be read by our Google Sheets. So we need to add this parse JSON module here. And afterwards, it would then feed into the Google Sheets we've created earlier in step 1, where we would take the summary of the company information and services and products, and we would populate that into column B and column C, which we've created earlier. Okay, now it's time for us to test out the automation now. So let's click run. Okay, very quick here, and we're expecting the output to go into our web scraping Google Sheets here. So let's take a look. Okay, so we see that OpenAI has summarized my company's information. So very accurate AI-driven automation solutions, enhance sales processes, improve customer engagement. And let's take a look at the services and products. AI consulting, AI automation, chatbots, voice agents. Very accurate, very fast. So there you have it, an AI automation that can scrape websites to provide you information about your leads, contacts, or partners in a matter of seconds. If you're interested to learn more about other AI automations and how you can apply to your business, book a call with us using the link below. Please like, subscribe, or drop a comment if you have any questions. I've also included some free guides in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.